Good morning, everybody. Scott Betti here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge in Bradenton, Florida. What a beautiful Betti trade this is. This is a 2013 Dodge Challenger RT Shaker Package automatic, only 35,000 miles. This gentleman is about as immaculate as you can get. This thing is in the wrapper, folks. Brilliant black in color, garage kept, cloth interior, the Mopar shifter, push button start. It's 2013 Dodge Challenger, 35,697 miles on it, new tires, chrome rims. Call me for more information and pricing. Scott Betti at Firkins, 748-6510. Another beautiful Betti trade.